I'm Kylie Burdette, and I help clients find the best reforestation investments for their property. A lot of people think we're just out in the woods all the time or we're at the nurseries, but it's such a combination and every day is so different. I really love meeting with landowners, going out in the field when they're planting, checking up on the seedlings 2-3 years after. A lot of times with our MCP seedlings, I will go out and check a stand 6 years in, take some measurements, really work that data up, see how many tons per acre are being grown, and then wait 6 more years and do another measurement prior to thinning, and really seeing how many tons per acre are being taken off after that stand has been thinned. So many times someone will come to me and they just do not know what they want. And being able to show them all the different options that ArborGen has and being able to apply that to their specific piece of property and then watching it grow is the best thing about my job. Some of the most common questions that I get from clients are, what do I plant and what am I going to get from that? With so many options out there, from open pollinated to mass control pollinated, we have multiple categories of both of those. And then on top of that, we have bare root and containerized seedlings. So really it's site specific and it's which category fits you best. I spoke with a landowner on Friday. It was a woman's family property, been given to her from her grandparents. They used to farm it, and they were going to replant some of the fields, and then they also harvested some of the timber. So I actually spoke with them over a year ago and gave them information on the open pollinated seedlings we had, the mass control pollinated seedlings we had, and then also helped them find someone to do site prep for them and also someone to plant for them. So once their timber was harvested, a year later they gave me a call, and we had the best conversation on Friday about what their goals were, what they wanted in return, and it was an easy conversation to find out really what they needed. The outcome of that situation just made me happy that I was able to help them, and I also had a very personal connection to them after spending so much time helping them find what was best for their property. I grew up around timber. My family is a very timber-oriented family, so it's just really always been near and dear to my heart. When I went to Clemson, I honestly was going to major in wildlife, and then after that first semester, I knew that forestry was where I needed to be.